Let's learn how to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. Previous video was how to receive USDT, and this video will be how you can send it. I will show you this tutorial on PC, on application, but you can follow up with any other device like your phone or whatever you want, because method is very similar, but it's fastest on PC. So without any delay, let us start by opening Binance application. To send crypto, you'll have to go to all, or you can just go wallet, but I will go all, wallet, and then click on fiat and spot that second in a row. Now we will have to go to this withdraw. Last video we were deposit, but now withdraw. And select coin. Now you will have to select USDT and select the same stuff as before. Select network. Network will be Tron TRC20, TRX. Enter address. You will have to enter address. This is address from last video, so let's go. And here you have withdraw amount. Choose how much money you want to send and just click on withdraw. You can also check on Binance user if you want. Change here and just go with email, phone, Binance ID or Pay ID. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.